Hi, today we talk about install Visual Studio Code on a Linux Mint. I created this virtual box to start from scratch, all the step-by-step installation on the Visual Studio Code. So we can open the Firefox browser or any browser you prefer and search for VS Code download. We have an option right there. So and click on the link, download Visual Studio Code. Based on your platform, you pick your installation. My Linux is based on Debian, and that's a selection I will pick. But a second option to install Visual Studio Code is use the software manager. And here we search VS Visual Studio Code, and that's option right here, and you install from there. So close the browser, we don't need them, and we click on the green button to install. So here are all the package they need to install, and continue. So installation is over, and we can launch the app right here on launch this green button. Also, we can find Visual Studio Code in programming, as you can see, or simple searching type VS is already showing the Visual Studio Code option right there. So either way, we open up, we don't need this software manager anymore, close, and here's the Visual Studio. So for now you can pick all your options and selections, how you want the Visual Studio Code looks. I prefer using dark mode, but here you have the option to open the folder where the project is. You can search files inside the project. You can connect with GitHub. You have the debug option, and also you can add more plugins. Okay, all the popular plugins for the project, whatever you need. So that's it. That's a very simple thing to get it done. No more for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next video.